Another one jumped out. Look at, he jumped out too. You see that guy right there? He just totally jumped out, and this guy jumped out, and I'm gonna stick him back on there. Hey everyone, let's make some monkey muffins. To make these, get yourself a cutting board and a bench scraper or knife, 2 tubes of Grand's buttermilk biscuits, 2 cubes of butter, about 10 muffin liners, 1 cup of brown sugar, 2 tablespoons of cinnamon, and 1 cup of white sugar, which isn't shown, but it's for later, and a muffin pan. You're going to definitely need that. Go ahead and add your butter to a small pot and turn up your flame to medium, and go ahead and melt the butter. A quick trick I've learned when cutting with a cutting board is to keep it in place. Place a damp towel underneath. It's super helpful. Go ahead and pop open your Grands and stack them in pieces of 2 or 3. Go ahead and do both packages. I only do one in this video. And then you're going to cut them 2 cuts horizontally and 2 cuts vertically. Go ahead and do that for all of them, and go ahead and separate all those. Then back to your stock pot, add your, with your melted butter, add your tablespoon of cinnamon and your cup of sugar, and whisk it until it's really nice and blended. In a medium bowl, add your sugar and a tablespoon of cinnamon and blend that as well with a whisk. Then drop the separated dough chunks into the cinnamon and sugar and coat well. With the muffin liners in your pan, drop the coated chunks into the liners till they stack just taller than the liners, so maybe, I don't know, 10 to 12 pieces, whatever you prefer. It's up to you. Next, you're going to pour a little bit of the brown sugar mixture and butter mixture over the chunks to coat them. But just remember, don't go crazy with this part, or you'll make a big mess when it cooks. So I just recommend just kind of doing a glaze over the top as shown, because they will start to rise and then spill out as they bake, and it really likes to spill and make a big mess. So just don't go crazy right here. So what is that, maybe 2 tablespoons? You may also want to put a cookie sheet under your pan when cooking. Pop them into the oven at 350 degrees. Make sure it's preheated so it's ready to go when you put them in. So I'm going for about 12 to 15 minutes, but your oven time may vary. So you have to test it for doneness. You have a little crust on the top, but finished inside in the middle so it's not raw. And man, these are good. And sometimes they like to fall apart a little bit. If you like this video, if it makes your tummy happy, please hit like and subscribe, and I'll see you next time.